thing is going to be the second step. As I said, there's always going to be one and there will be two. So this one is going to be ratio 2. What did I say happened with ratio 2? Ratio 2, they are going to give you the ratio. And then they're going to give you the amount that one person or one thing, one person gets out of whatever is being shared. Then they're going to ask you to find, so how much did the other person get, or how much did I spend on the other thing, whatever the ratio is. So let's look at this. I am paying light and water bill. I'm paying light bill and I'm paying what?
Water bill.
So it's light and water bills. And my bills are in the ratio of 3 to 2. Light and water bill in the ratio of 3 to 2. And the question asks, if my light bill is $180. My light bill is $180. What will be my water bill? I'm paying light and water bill in the ratio of 3 to 2. If my light bill is $180, what is going to be, what is my water bill? And they can also ask you, what is the total amount of money I spend on bills? So this time they'll ask you this in 2 bucks. How much did I spend on water? And what is the total bill? Total amount of money that I spend on it. This time you have the ratio. The ratio again is 3 to 2, but you do not have the total. And so there's no adding this time. No need for me to add because I do not know the total. They have already worked out their total. They have already done their addition, work out their total, and they give me, so okay, my light bill is 180. What am I doing this time? I am going back to the ratio. And I'm asking myself, how much ratio? What part did I spend on light? Because light is what they give me. So I have to go back up here and say, what is the ratio for light? What's the ratio for light here? 3. Because it's 3 to 2. So light has 3 parts and water has 2 parts. The ratio of 3 to 2. So what I'm going to do now is to take 180, which is my light bill, and I'm going to divide it by the ratio for light, which is 3. And when I go 3 into 180, I'm going to get
30. I
oops,
mean,
3 into
60.
18,
6.
6 times. 3 into 18 is going to go 6 times.
And add the
6 is
0.
18. And I'm going to bring
Bring
this
out
0
0.
up. So one part, that we love the
60.
60. One part again is 60. So what is going to be my water bill?
120.
120.
How did
I
I
get
get
it first.
120?
You
60 times 2.
I'm
60
gonna now
times
have
2.
to take 2 times 60, and so my water bill is
Okay.
120.
Oh, put it down.
Good. Now, the next step to this is, so what is my total bill? What am I going to do to get my total bill?
Add.
And who?
80 plus 120.
180 is for my light. Just like how we would do normally. We doing. I pay the bills. I gotta tally up how much money I have to spend on all of these. 180 is for my light, and my water is for
You wouldn't know how much the
120. So it means how much money did I spend?
$300.
$300
I get it
is what
first.
I spent on these bills.
I see.
300. And if you want to make sure, look at that and say, can I work this the other way and see what happened? The ratio is 3 to 2. 3 plus 2 is? 3 plus 2?
5.
5. 300 divided by 5.
I get
300 divided by 5. That's
Oh, huh?
300 divided by 5. I'm going back to the total. 3 plus 2
60.
is 60. And so we see that any way we turn it, we're still going to get that 60. So 3 times 60 is 180, and 2 times 60 is 120. Ratio is as simple as that. If they give me what one person gets, I simply have to say, so what one person ratio was. And I'm using that one person ratio to divide whatever that one person gets. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that will give me the most important thing in ratio is that I have to find one part. What do I have to find? One part. So whether they give me the total or they give me just what one person gets, I have to simply remember that ratio is all about finding one part and then multiplying it by the number of parts that the whatever it is we're sharing. Whether it's somebody, whether it's something, because the ratio can be sharing it among somebody, among persons, sharing up my allowance into what is to go for candies and what is to go for buying toys and etc. Whatever it is, however we're sharing it. Most times whatever we're sharing is in a ratio. And that is why most times they will ask you to give me this ratio in its lowest term. That's something else. Thank you.